Good morning, everyone. My name's Emily Fan, and I'm here to talk to you about Civic Tech Toronto. Now, first of all, you might be wondering, what is Civic Tech? A definition that I like to use is any technology that intersects public life. Civic Tech includes tools that we use to create, support, and serve the public good. So what is Civic Tech Toronto? Civic Tech Toronto is a volunteer-led community group that was founded in the summer of 2015. After being inspired by the work being done by the Code for America brigades across the border, a small group of engaged citizens came together to form a brigade of our very own. We weren't just a group of coders looking to hack government. We were a diverse group of people from all different backgrounds, including policy analysts, project managers, designers, marketers, you name it. We were all interested in one thing, making Toronto a better city. Ever since our first hack night, our community has grown. We went from this to this. Just in the last 2 years, we've managed to host 2 open data hackathons, 86 hack nights, and we've grown our membership to 18,000 members. So we've grown, but what do we actually do? First and foremost, we facilitate the development of civic tech projects. Our role is to enable community members to make an impact through technology, and to date, we've fostered dozens of citizen-led projects that are built with, not for, communities. Some examples include City of Brains, a website that raises awareness about mental health services in Toronto through story sharing, Budgetpedia, an app that's aimed at making the unwieldy City of Toronto budget more accessible, and Guerrilla Archiving, a project to archive as much climate and environmental data as possible before it disappears in Donald Trump's little hands. Another thing that we do is we host hack nights every Tuesday evening. Hack nights are an inclusive community gathering where people from all disciplines come together to build and learn about civic tech. The hack nights set the cadence for our work at Civic Tech Toronto and enable our members to meet and collaborate on their civic tech projects on a weekly basis. Lastly, we are an engagement platform for governments, nonprofits, and community groups. There are 2 great examples of this. The first one is Code Across, a yearly open data hackathon that brings together problem owners from government and community and problem solvers. A second example is the Youth Employment Challenge, which was a 6-week project in collaboration with the Government of Canada Employment and Social Development. We came together to answer this very question: how might civic tech be used to improve youth employment in our country? All in all, we've come a long way over the past 2 years. So why do we need Civic Tech Toronto? There are 2 main reasons. First of all, there are still so many benefits from technology that we haven't tapped into yet. At a high level, leveraging data and technology to its full potential could lead to more informed decision-making by politicians, policymakers, and citizens like ourselves. There's also tremendous potential for open data. Imagine a society where public data is widely available, parsable, and abundant to serve as the platform for interfaces like web applications, mobile apps, and voice technologies. Digital tools also means greater transparency and engagement. The internet has enabled us to communicate and interact with one another from anywhere in the world within seconds. The possibilities for us to engage with government and each other is endless. Secondly, government needs our help. Imagine a person who has limited money, lots of competing priorities, and has to ask permission for everything we do. It sounds like this person has a hard time getting stuff done. What I'm trying to say is that government can't do it all. The reality is that we need to work together to co-create solutions that work for us. Citizens' needs are constantly changing, but governments are much less agile than a small group of citizens hacking away on a project. As you can tell, there's still lots of work to be done, but there's also huge potential. Huge potential for greater engagement through technology, design, and coming together as a community. And initiatives like Code for Canada just go to show that we're just getting started. Thank you.